Hey there, here's how to start accepting USDT on your WooCommerce store using Blockonomics. If you're new to Blockonomics, welcome aboard. We're a privacy-first crypto payment solution. We've got all the tools you need, and our support team is here for you 24/7. Now let's dive into the tutorial. The setup is simple and doesn't take long. You'll just need access to your WooCommerce account and your Blockonomics account to get started. Choose the method that best fits your journey. All right, let's get started. Head over to your WordPress dashboard, click on the Plugins tab, and choose Add Plugin. Now search for Blockonomics, click Install Now, and then hit Activate. Go to the Blockonomics plugin settings. This will open up the setup wizard, and we're just going to follow the instructions as they appear. First up, we'll sign up on Blockonomics. Then, we're going to add a wallet. Clicking on the wallet step will take you straight to the Wallets tab in your Blockonomics account. Click Add Wallet, choose USDT as the coin, and fill in the required details. Once that's done, hit Create Wallet. Next, and this is the final step, we'll add the API key. Clicking on the API key step will take you to the Stores tab in Blockonomics. Copy it, paste it into the field back in the wizard, and hit Continue. Give your store a name, click Continue, and there you go, your store is created. Hit that Done button. This brings you back to the Blockonomics settings page, where you can configure additional options if you need to. And that's it, you're all set. If you're curious about how to view your store details on Blockonomics, just refresh the Stores page in your account. You'll see your store show up automatically. Let's take a look at how everything shows up at checkout. All right, I'm adding this product to my cart and checking out. I'm picking crypto as the payment method, then choosing USDT. It's going to ask me to do two things. First, connect my wallet. So let's go ahead and do that. And then approve the payment. And there we go. I'm confirming it now, the payment went through. Let's take a look at how everything shows up at checkout. Log into your WordPress dashboard and open the installed plugin section. Find the Blockonomics plugin. You'll see a prompt to update it to the latest version. Go ahead and click Update Now. Once updated, open the plugin settings. Since your store will start accepting USDT, you can name the payment method Crypto or BTC/USDT, whatever fits your store. Click Test Setup. You'll notice only BTC is enabled for now. To enable USDT, head over to your Blockonomics account. Open the Wallets tab, click Add a Wallet, choose USDT, fill in the wallet details, and create the wallet. Next, go to the Stores tab, open your store, and enable the new USDT wallet as the destination wallet. Save your changes. Let's take a look at how everything shows up at checkout. All right, I'm adding this product to my cart and checking out. I'm picking crypto as the payment method, then choosing USDT. It's going to ask me to do two things. First, connect my wallet. So let's go ahead and do that. And then approve the payment. And there we go. I'm confirming it now, the payment went through. Thanks for watching. Drop your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear from you.